Every day, you get to sit down and craft stories, messages, scripts, ads, and sales arguments that have the potential to reach millions of people. Then there's the flexibility. As a copywriter, your office can be anywhere: a coffee shop, your couch, even the beach if you're willing to risk getting sand in your computer.
True story. That actually happened to me.
Many, not all, but many copywriters work remotely or freelance, giving them the freedom to set their own hours and work around their own lifestyle. Even copywriters who work with agencies and businesses can get a long leash to do their work anywhere, anytime, so long as they hit their deadlines and deliver good results.
And for people who enjoy variety and learning new things, copywriting offers the unique opportunity to bounce from writing for tech startups one day to luxury brands the next, to auto insurance companies the next, to seawall repair companies the next.
Your only limit here is your curiosity and the kinds of jobs you're able to get.
But the big reason why copywriting has become such a popular career recently is because it can be incredibly lucrative. Certain types of copy, like the copy we're going to be focusing on in this course, has the potential to earn huge salaries, commissions, and bonuses.
This is especially true if you specialize in areas that drive sales or engagement, such as direct response or conversion-focused copywriting.
Businesses want more money. A good copywriter can be a massive driver for a business's sales. And that means businesses are always willing to pay top dollar for copywriters with skills to boost their revenue. Long story short, copywriting has the potential to offer an amazing lifestyle with amazing experiences and incredible wealth. Sean, for instance, has gotten to ride in helicopters with billionaires over the Panama Canal, driven around in Lamborghinis with supermodels, and taken his family to Japan for 2 months out of each year. All of it related to copy he's written for different businesses. But even though Sean is on the extreme end of what's possible, there are plenty of copywriters who earn way more than him. For the rest of us though, we've opted for a more modest life. Nice houses or apartments, the occasional trip to Portugal or Cancun, and in my case, an ever-growing collection of Warhammer 40k figurines.
Honestly, that's probably the most expensive thing of everything that we listed.
Sean, we do not have time for this. Let the man finish.
All right.
We're not the only ones who have reaped the incredible rewards of this career. Over the years that we've been producing content and courses, we've had hundreds of people from all over the world write to tell us about the successes they've had, the clients they've landed, and the money that they've made. And what is it that they've been doing to achieve the success? What is copywriting really? Simple. Writing words that drive action.
That is the big difference between copywriting and regular writing. Copywriting persuades a person to take an action either immediately or later on.
When copy attempts to get people to do something immediately, this is called direct response copy.
When copy attempts to build a brand or delight or entice people over time, this is called delayed response or brand copy. But don't get it twisted. Persuasion sits at the heart of every type of copy. From Nike's Just Do It to a blog post about keto recipes to a long, aggressive, salesy pitch that sells life coaching. All of it exists for one reason. A business wants more money, so they paid a copywriter to create assets it could use to get more money.
Now, we did mostly focus this course on direct response and sales-focused copywriting, but here's what we can honestly say. We have included concepts, methods, and resources that will be useful for every type of copy and content writing out there.